Welcome guys, this is Rosli Zom, you could call me Rosli, and today we are going to tame some OVS. Okay, a few OBS which are called Himalayan sheep in the ark is known as, they are called as like OVS. Okay, this is our dire bear farm. Unfortunately all our bears are dead, or they have been moved to the other random maps, not sure yet. So I have make a place for the OVS farm, so which could be this one. This is the place where we will be farming the OBS. Okay, so for the OBS we need to craft the vegetable sweet cake, which we will be getting from honey. So we are collecting the honey, by the way, man. Just we are here to collect some honeys, and I am wondering where will I get the honey. So for that honey, like we have to do something else, like what do we call that, we are going to pinpoint all those trees where we will get some honey. So look, there is the honey, and there is this wooden based root. What do we call that? This is called wooden tree platform. Okay, so wherever we can get the honey, we are going to put this wooden platform stuff. And by the way, how do we collect the honey though? Gather honey. Okay, from one hive we can collect 5 honeybees. Okay, like that. Just look at that. In this tree we can get the honey. So like if we see the inventory, I don't know, but there should be more trees which have the honey. So we are going to put the platform over there. Where is that platform? Yeah, keep it like this, because the honeybees are like it will extinct soon, so you need to be more careful when you collect the honeys. They are like here for like 4 minutes, 20 minutes, just for something like that. Where are the more honeys, man? Honeybee, where are you? There are no more honey. Why? Well, honey will expire. Yeah, they will get expired in 20 minutes. So be more careful when you collect the honeys, man. Hey, is there honey on it? No. Bloody hell. Okay, in this tree we can get some honey. So just let us put the platform here so that it will be easy to understand. Like, okay, this will be good. Okay, because of the okay, we have put the platform, and because of the platform there we can understand there is honey like this. Okay, just gather the honey, gather it. Let's go back to the camp. Okay, so we are going back to our camp. This is our main base. Sorry, not the camp, it's our main base. Okay, so for the what do we call that, vegetable farm, we need all these things, everything. Okay, so honeys are here. So these are the things that we need, like giant honeybee, sap, rock carrot, long grass, saproot, stimulant, fiber, something like. So let us collect some stimulant that which we have prepared a long time ago. Where are they? Oh my god. Okay, here it is. This is the stimulant. Okay, I think it will be enough. And then yeah, these are some field that we have cropped, where we can get the long grass enough for us. And here is a rock carrot. Actually, rock carrot, man. I don't know even in that era we can find a carrot or not. But this is a potato, I'm sure. But they call it. What happened? Okay. And then let us deposit all these things. Okay. Now what do we need? We also going to deposit the fiber here. Done. So now what do we need? So last the thing is we need a sap. Sap is collected from the tree. Okay, it's easy though. So I think it's not irrigated. Oh, it's a gas. It's a gas we need, man. Turn on. Okay, we got 10 honeybees are over, so we got 10, what do we call this, vegetable cake. It's enough for us. So let us go, and what do we call this? Okay, we need man, this vegetable will get wasted if we keep it here. Let us keep this in the fridge. Refrigerator, because I don't want to grow a lot of crops again. Where is the fridge? I think I will keep it here. with the berries. Yeah. Okay. If you keep it in the fridge, it will elongate it though. We don't need this much, so we're just going to take some few. Like, how much do we need? Transfer. Maybe 3 will be enough. So we are looking for the obvious, and obviously it is found in the Himalayan region. So let us go there. So we are in the mountain regions. Done with the obvious. So it's kind of easy. Just get the obvious. They will be roaming around here and there, and feed the vegetables by going close. Okay. Is there a Cartenosaurus? Yes, it is. Female one, level 15. What about you? Tyrannosaurus. If it is female, we are going to kill this guy. We can't read it, man. Hi. It's a female. Yeah. So after looking for like a crazy, we didn't found any obvious at all. I don't know where are they gone, but we found our Rex. It will be easy to find with the Rex there. And this stupid wolf are breaking on our OBS, where are you? I'm tired of this, man. During the search, we didn't find OBS, but we found this stupid penguin. We see some. What is this? It's a mega stuff. We got a whole pack of it, but where is the OBS, man? I didn't see any OBS here. Something, and we are looking for the OBS, dude. So finally what we found out is our deer. Okay, you won't believe, but deer is the very fastest in the movement. So it will be easy for us to find the OBS now. OBS, where are you? You won't believe, in the long search of OBS, what we found. We found a damn Titanosaurus here. Stupidly rushing around. Where is the OBS, man? Come on, man. Please swap. They are without the Tyrannosaurus, they are doing bad. I think there is one Tyrannosaurus. Is that a female? What the hell is this? It's a female, right? What's going on? Dear man. We are in danger. They are attacking. Dude, run. Bloody hell. Here comes one more. Give me some alpha meat, raw meat, prime. So we have knocked out these all characters and hopefully we are doing good. I don't know. So let us feed that guy with the prime meat. It's a female, so that's why I'm taming it. Otherwise, you know, we are just going to kill that thing, but it's a female, so for the egg we might need these things. So just for the egg we are feeding this guy. Like, she is at level 80, which is good for us though. So she will be tamed later. No problem with that. She is strong enough to alive by her own. We are looking for the OBS and we didn't found a single OBS until now, man. This is too much. Okay, after looking for a long time, finally I think we have found the OBS. That's it. Okay, before we go at and tame the OBS, we need to kill each and everyone nearby so that they won't attack like this stupid. Where is he? Where has he gone? Okay, there he is. And there is no more fighter. Nah, I don't think so. Did he call other mates? No, I don't think so. So let us go and tame this guy. It's easy. Go nearby. Okay, we have tamed the OBS. He will be named Ova. Okay, I was afraid like we have lose this guy. SS inventory. So we cannot write these things, so we need to fetch this guy to the, like, you know, move to closer. Right. Hehehe, we got a OBS. Hehehe. How much she can attack? She is so weak in attacking everything. So let us get this guy to the where, like, what do we call that? To the farm. I think we can even put the OBS here though, but I don't think. Yeah, just keep it here right now. We will come back later for this OBS, obviously. So we need to save this guy from attacking each other. It's a female, so we need a male. We need a male. So now we have brought our Cartianosaurus for OBS farming. Okay. We need to level this guy up, so we are gonna use this guy. Yeah, he's really strong when it comes to attacking. There is Utah. It's the female or male? We want to check it out. Oh, it's a female, level 5. So it's easy though. We are not gonna kill that guy. Okay, there are 2 Utah, man. This one is female. What about the black one? Male. We have to kill the black one. Where is the bloody white one? We just get the whole rid of them, but okay, dear, they are. Here he is. We kill him. I didn't want to kill this guy, but we just did kill him. So this guy is getting tamed, and the thing, what the best thing is, we got one more OBS, and obviously that's a OBS nearby. Yeah, that's it, right? That's OBS, right? Huh? What's that? Shit, man. That's not OBS. I was happy that we found the OBS though. So just then, come on, let us look for the OBS. That's not OBS. So it's gonna be night, and what we found out is that OBS here. No, man! Finally we were able to find the OBS, and bloody wolf has killed them, man. Man. And after a long search, we found two ova. Hopefully, like, we need a male, so that we can let them mate and we can produce more ova. By the way, it's taking too long, and in the way we found this Argentavis egg. Yeah, it's taking too long though, man. So let us feed these guys with grapes. I think it will eat the grapes. And yeah, man. Oh, okay, they will grow up here. Thing is, like, we are catching the obvious like this. Okay, so we are just catching the obvious like this, and we're gonna teleport this later. Just be there, okay? We are in a very big danger because these guys are really attacking us, so we need to take our ship away from here. The movement is really slow of this ship, man. The movement, just look at the damn movement. Let us take this to the sheep farm, and then we are done for the sheep farming today. So finally here we are. This is the sheep farm that we are talking about. So we have together 5 sheep here, but not sure like this 5 will be enough or not, but yeah, we can let them mate each other and then we can have a big child here. So I think we should do that, right? Just let us remove this green obstacle. Yeah, now it's okay. That greens to be okay. These are like 2 of them are female and 3 are male. Which one is the strongest male? 22, 82, 29. So this guy has the strong chance of giving us strong babies. So just let them. Okay then. What do we call that? Stop following. Yeah. So he is ready to mate, I think. Yeah, he is ready to mate. This guy is also ready to mate. So behavior, you are weak, so you are not allowed to mate anyone. So here we go. Behavior enable mating. Behavior enable mating. So he is the one who will be mating these 2 beautiful sheep. Okay, they are mating now. But I think just like a bear, it's gonna take a long time to get mate and to all these things. So now it's easy. These guys have been, populated. So even if we take our male sheep away from them, they will keep what do we call that? They will keep populating inside their stomach like this. So 10%, 25. It's gonna take 25 minutes, man. So finally, after waiting for a long time, we got 2 little child. Yeah, let's go with baby. Okay, here is another one. JS. So this is also male. This is the female. Wow. Finally one is the female. They will grow up. It looks too good, right? It looks good though. Can they follow us? Yeah, they will. Maybe they are late, but they are following us, right? Let us use this speed. Yeah, they are. They are moving like an tiny little. Oh man, this looks so good, right? Sweet child, buffalo child. Along with this is what we have completed. This is our final fish obvious farming, sheep farming. And the thing is, like, they are little bit looking more furry. Just look at their size. They are looking too big. Is this because of the wool or what, man? Let us cut this wool, like, we can cut the wool from sheep. Yeah, this is what we are talking about. It's a scissor. Okay, you can craft the scissor easily. Okay, this is kind of bad. Okay, then let us equip the scissor. What? How do you equip the scissor, man? Equip. Okay, yeah, we are with the scissor. Okay, let us go with the third person. Yeah, and oh yeah, we are getting the wool. Just look at this. Yeah, I was right here. They were looking too furry. Now they look. Okay, they look too different, man. Okay, without the fur, it looks like they look like it. Okay, they look like an stupid one. So this is the best way to get the wool. Can we trim a baby? Here is one. Okay, yeah, this one is also ready. Oh my god, it looks too boring, man. Let us go with the no, man. Okay, yeah. The difference is quite clear though. Why it's not working? Maybe you need to go to the third person for the cutting. Yeah, you will get the wool by sheep. It's a good farming though. It's a wool farming. So we are not going to get more wool from this guy. This is our farm. So this is our small child, and yeah, there is one more. And yeah, you are getting lots of dung, and he is the defender of the wolf. There should be a dog, but we don't have dogs, so he is a defender of this guy. Well, this place was meant for the dire bear farm, but this should be now Ovis farm. Yeah, it's a Ovis farm now. Our ships are quite going good, and something happened that they have started fighting each other and they died. I don't know what happened, but yeah, look, these are the dead bodies that some. Just look at this, man. Each and every one are dead body. These are untamed sheep that we are getting now. Okay, let me do like this. Okay, follow all. They will follow up here. Yeah, they are coming. My sheep farming is nearly done. Okay, their numbers are quite good. Okay, they are following me. Sheep Raiser. My name is Sheep Raiser now. Okay, let me stop there. Okay, and we need to tame these guys. Yeah, come on. Let me tame another guys. I think these guys also need to be tamed. No, he's stuck. Okay, this guy is stuck. Yeah. Okay, we will use him for the, what do we call that? This is the glitch. We have been stuck. This is what happens. They started killing each other. What's going on? Don't kill anyone, man. Hey, they are killing each other, man. Untamed one. Okay, there I think I cannot stop these guys. Stop all. Don't kill yourself. They all died, man. Whole pack has been dead. I don't know why. I did a mistake. These are all dead. OMG, all of them are dead. Dead? No, 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 no. Look, whole mountains of the sheep are dead. What about you? Oh my god, this is not good. Look, OMG, we lost a whole like 20 piece of the sheep. Okay, then let us yeah, let us remove these bodies from here. Okay, I am sorry, man. I was happy that we were raising the sheep, but nah, that's a huge loss for us. This number of the ships, it's a big loss, man. And these ships are stuck into the ground. Okay, this guy is the bodyguard here, but I don't know why. Okay, no problem. We got some small sheep also. Okay, what is wrong with this guy? Huh? It's a blue one. How come? He is the. I think he will be the pack leader of the pack. It's blue. Okay, no problem. We'll be raising the sheep later. Hey, we are the sheep farmer. Okay, look at the number of the sheep that we are raising. It's good. Let's go like this. Come on. Follow all. Okay, here they come. Okay, this is the sheep farm. Wow. Okay, let them have a child and then we'll be raising it.